guys, I have the Leadchuang power multi-function power socket. Model ONSK118. You could purchase this on Amazon, as you can see the link below, or you could visit the website leadchuang.com. Like the box, this is very good to travel with you, take it with you, power your devices, especially your phone, your laptop. And the good thing about this, you could actually hang it on the wall. So that's very good. So like that feature that it has. Power cord is kind of strong. It's well built. 2 USB ports in the bottom, 1 C port. As you can see, I'm going to have it tested in some of my devices. So I have my watch and I have my iPhone. They're all connected, and I also have a monitor connected. Works perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.